Hello guys, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you guys are doing good and you are loving this on-campus placement series. So guys, today's question is a very good question and you will gonna learn a new data structure which called maps, and it is a very efficient that being used in many types of fundamental topics. It's have a application like every question in DSA, like DSA graphs, trees, and everywhere we use maps extensively, guys, extensively. So this is a very basic and fundamental question that we're gonna cover now, guys. As we have done two questions finding the non-repeating element, which mean unique, in this question we need to find the repeating elements. Fine. So for finding repeating elements like 1 1 2 3 4 5 in this particular array, the output would be 1 2 4 because it is repeating element. Fine. And in the interview, the interviewer might ask you to print the occurrence also. Find how many times an element being repeated in this array. So in this case, 1 is repeated 2 times and 3 is repeated, 2 is repeated 2 times and 4 is repeated 2 times. If you need to print this, we'll see this also as well as the same output as this. Guys, I have written this format like 1 repeated 2. So in this map, this particular format is called as key and value. Fine. Key value makes a map data structure, and in C++ Java there are many types of map, ordered map, and hash map. In Java we take it as a hash map, and C++ they are map and unordered map, something like that. Fine. And in Python we have a default tick which is present in the collection library. Fine, collection module, and yes, this is a default and you can use simple like this, but using this default dict, it reduce few lines of code compared to this, because we'll see why I'm using this now. How we can do this question, guys. Fine, you just need to do is like there is only 3 lines of code. You should iterate for I equals to 0 to n, and just need to do is d equals to d or store something, which variable you want to assign, you just assign it. D is equals to d of I plus 1, or I would say array of I, so anything that you are considering it, how it's depend on the for loop that you are operating. Fine, it will create the dictionary like this, and the time complexity would be order of n. You are traversing each and every element once, and the space complexity would be order of n because you are storing into the map data structure. In worst case, it would be order of n, or it would be just n by 2 or 3, just depending on the repeating elements. Fine. So yes guys, let's move to this question and see to it. Find, okay, we need a self solve. In that we need an array and n, then we need to call this function solve with the array element, something like this 1 2, like 1 1 2 2 3 3, and the array size would be the len of not len, I would say I just 1 2 3 4 5 6, the total number of element is 6. You just need to write 6. Fine. And what I will do is I will complete this particular function. Okay, so for creating, like, yeah, just I have told store is equals to, I have given the variable as store, default dict, which is a type of int. From where I get default dict, I will tell from collections module import the default dict library. Fine, it will do that. And just see the magic, guys. For num in array, okay, num in array, you just need to do that store num, and if it is there in the store map, then you just increase the occurrence. Otherwise it is not there, then you just then set it to the 1. Fine. Now you just need to print store. Fine, and let's have a run. Yes guys, you can see 1 is occurring 2 times, 2 is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 2 times. But in the interview, if interviewer said just print the element that is repeating in the array. So what I will do is I will iterate over the map for K stands for key and V stands for value. In store dot items, it's a way to iterate over a dictionary and just print key values having a space separated. So yes, let's see. Yes guys, we have both the ways. Like if the interview want this way or interview want this way, you are ready to do that. So guys, this is a very simple code, and if you might be thinking like how to do this, I will put the code snippet into the description. You just have a look on that and you will be very good. It's a like enumerator. If you are using Python, C++, I hope you know how to iterate over an array like this. We don't need to do I in range again and again. You can do this way also. So yes guys, the time complexity have already been discussed. If you have any errors, please let me know in the comment section, and you don't need to skip now. There is another question. Find all non-repeating element in an array. This is a homework question for you. This is a very easy question, the same implement that we have already, right now we did the same question, same method we need to use here also, like 1 2 minus 1 1 3 1. Find all non-repeating element in an array. Find all non-repeating element for a given array. Output can be in this order. Okay, fine. In this we find the repeating element, and in this we need to find a non-repeating element. It is very simple guys. When you are iterating over the map, when you are iterating over the map, you just need to take care of the value. This is the hint I have given. Please do the code. Try to do that. Until unless you don't write code with your hands, the problem solving skill will not come to you. Fine. If you want to be a good solver, you need to practice as much as you can. So yes guys, never look back and move forward. Please hit a like button if you have understood this topic, and subscribe it. Share to your friends who having on campus placement season in few months. So yes guys, we'll meet you with a new video.